welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So in this video I will be unboxing the Orna boxes for the month of December. The boxes for November were amazing. I loved each and every piece. So I have similar hopes and expectations from this month boxes as well. I cannot wait to dig into them. But before we get into that, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. You hit on the bell so that you're notified for every new video. And let's get started. So I'll be starting with the green box first, and in case you want to place an order or want to know the prices and stuff, just check out the description bar. All the information will be there. So let me just open this one and see what I've got. Alright, so this one is really pretty, guys. Right, so this pearl and this hanging is basically separated, so you can wear the pearl alone, or you can, customize this thing with some other stud that you have. I think that's pretty cool and would look so stunning. This is how it looks on me and I love it absolutely. This is looking so gorgeous, and this is such an amazing party wear kind of an earring. You can pair this with your elegant dresses, and given that New Year and Christmas is around the corner, I think it's going to come handy for a lot of people. Alright, so the second piece that I can see, I think it's a neck piece. It doesn't really have a lot of weight, and this is how it looks. Alright, so this is how it looks on me. I'm really liking this one. Looks very pretty actually, and it's a little different as well. Really like this one. Alright, so the next thing that I can see is a bracelet actually. It has that rose gold polish sort of thing. So I could not figure out how to open this one, so I just slid it down like that. Thankfully, it's a bit loose for me, so it was able to, I could do it easily. So this is how it looks on me. I like it. It's minimal and pretty, and something that you can easily pair with a lot of your dresses and stuff. So yeah, really nice and pretty. Alright, so the next thing is another pair of earrings. Alright, so there is a little problem. One of them is broken actually. So this is the design, and this one doesn't have the the thing that goes inside the ear hole. It's actually broken and it's inside the packet, and I don't even know how to fix this. Anyway, let me just wear this one and show it to you guys. So this is how it looks, and this is so pretty. I wish the other piece was also perfect, so I could have actually worn this one. I'm really disheartened at this moment. So the next piece is also a pair of earrings. So this is how the design actually looks like. It's very pretty. I really like this one, and thankfully the lock is also in place. So this is how this one looks on me. Oh my god, I really like this one. Alright, so this is the last piece, which again is earring, and this is pretty traditional actually. I love the design and everything. In the last box we got these, just the upper part. That was in silver. I really liked it. However, in this one, this thing is sort of coming off. If you can see that this is not properly joined. Like, this is bumped. Again, a bummer. I loved the design, but it's visible that it's it's coming off. It doesn't look good, but I love the design. I wish it was in place. No, I really like all the pieces, but two of them I cannot really wear, and that really makes me sad at this moment, because all the designs are really pretty. Like, look at this one. If you look at a distance, it looks very pretty, and so this wedding season appropriate, but I wish it was perfect. So that was all about the green box. Now we'll be unboxing the blue one, and I'm really hoping that all the pieces are perfect in this one. So the first thing that I can see is actually a ring, and this is the design. It's huge, looks very pretty, and something that you can wear with a lot of outfits, especially for this wedding season. It will look really cool. So this is how the ring looks on me. It's very pretty. I like it actually. Right, so the next thing that I can see is again a pair of earrings. This is how they look. Oh my god, I love them. I guess is going to be my favorite piece out of the two boxes today. Wow, this looks so damn good. Really love this one. So far, it is definitely my favorite out of the lot. Alright, so the next piece again is earring, and this is a bit of the traditional sorts. This is how it looks with jhumkis and everything. Oh wow, this looks so good. I definitely see myself wearing this with so many kurtis. It will look so pretty. Alright, so the next thing that I can see in here is this. I don't know if it's a bracelet or a neck piece. It has this sort of a lock system. Oh yeah, okay, of course this is a bracelet. This is not going to fit me around my neck for sure. The good thing is that you can tighten this thing. It looks... I like it. I like this one more than the other one, simply because I can see myself using this in the upcoming wedding. Alright, so the next thing in here is a pair of earrings. This is how this one looks like. I like that flower and pearl combination, looks very pretty. So I have a thing for pearls, and I really like this thing hanging, and also this, you know, design looks very appealing to me. I definitely see myself wearing this one for some party or something. Looks very good. The second last one is this pair of earring. It has that pink stud and that golden ring sort of a design. Looks very pretty to me. I really like this one, and I do have a pink sweater, and I think of wearing these with that. I think it looks really pretty. I like it actually, and it's extremely lightweight. In fact, all the pieces in this time's edition are extremely lightweight. I don't think I wore anything that was, pulling down my ears, so that's a good thing. Alright, so time for the last piece. This is how it looks. It has studs, and I'm guessing it's a neck piece then. My god. And it's pretty lightweight, but something you can definitely wear to your, weddings and parties if you feel like. Looks very pretty. I love that pearl thingy. So this is how the neck piece looks on me. I really like it. At a distance you feel it's royal and heavy, but it's very lightweight and will definitely add that statement to your dress or outfit. And this is how the studs look like. Pretty simple, of course. When all the attention is on the neck piece, earrings should be simple. So I really like this combination. Very pretty actually.